Hey guys, for the people. Nasi nambo buda ndikabva ndambonanga nekuma client ndakani client yangu ndakatenga ma blankets. Guys, I'm laughing at myself because I'm all over. So nanaya suka magumbezi. Aye. Yaone magumbezi acha. 1 2 3. Saka ndikumita in drive. Then let me look for a new towel. Was another pair of soup. So I bought this one. That's 5. Sometimes cheap things cost this one. You can make the one I can't go so then I got this one for me as well. Perfect. Face. Face kana kwanya kuta sweat. Apa pandigoni kushasa kwa ndakutanga ndawacha. Because ndatiki zvokuzosunya kufesi. So I got this. Andinozviona. Then ama blanket edaya. Yapa. Umu mune zvitondido. Zvima wati zvimabhasta wati. Wasikana zvizofuzi. Then this kit here. Kuna vanhu vari kufunga kuti maybe zvandeshojoka. I got this one oil then lotion, then my serum, my effort. Then there is another thing each. I got this for my maybe because few skinny when it are my pimples. So I don't know, maybe I'm telling my each and I tell each. And it's for one of my pimples because it are pimples. So I got this one for it, a present. And then my turmeric. Ndafara ndikupandawana this turmeric. This one. Asana mboishandisa. Iyo. Kama kuona ganda rangu richinaka. Amozviona. Vanhu vanotaura vaya. This is it. Nemamwe ma scrub ayo. Saka meno this time obsession iyi yefuti. My oils I think I got 2. Then there is another one here. Yandamboitwa recommend this one sunscreen. Ndaona vanhu vazhinji vangu vari mushopping umo vavachiitenga. So ndauya 2 seconds ndikuti saka ndikirikini ndichatotenga ice cream. Asi handisi kudya hangu ice cream. Guys, muna kutora video neri kunwa ma ice cream ndatenga mvura kwaari. Saka ndichangozotengawo ice cream yewo ndani handisi kuita inosa mvura. Saka ni this one doing and then poor. So can changozama akawanda my products guys for the people. If you see Akela, and my favorite at $1. Then I obsession guys. So and my towels. And this one, I'm at tight. And my friends like 2 seconds shit. She must image. Also funga boots. There's not even name. I'm showing you Mangona Mozuta dance chakas. This one, guys, I saw this. I'm on it's a tight. I'm on this skin tight. But this skin tight, this room. Once you know adjust the scapa, will not die well. So I'm going to find it out. And also, so the Lambo, she knows it. But I wanted something different. So that's not important. I don't have to attend a pizza. Ndakuitenga mota yakafa. Kusata kwa zvimwe kunaka kwechimwe. Ona zvamo glowing. Nenyaya yekuti mota yakafa. Amara raiti hanzi turmeric iri kubleachisa. This one box racho there is nothing chakanywa bleaching ekera. I don't know vanogona kutotukisa but ndozva inenge yakanywa turmeric face serum, plant extract ichiwat anti-inflammatory, anti-accident repair, anti-oxidation. Ndozva inenge yakanyogwa izvozvo. There is nothing just bleaching janaona ababa. When I turn zino bleacher. This is what's written for preparation ababa. There is nothing on. Saka, I'll keep on coming back to you. Then now we are glowing young. There's nothing I can do. So guys, for the people, delivery yangu tashika kana dress kabu. Tashika magumbeza. Sanda kutosiya ukumanya ndashasa indrive guys ndashika magumbezi edu ayaya unaona ari unyani ndio yakanaka kwevulu azviona ndakudhirivha